Hey guys, the entire video was shot only on Feiyutech AK4500 gimbal and my Sony Alpha 6300. There are two more videos that I shot entirely with AK4500 and its detailed review, which will pop on your screen in just a short bit. There is a lot more to this gimbal than what can be seen in my video shoot, so feel free to explore it. It is coming for $749, plus I have a 10% coupon up for grabs, which is valid for next 60 days from the date of uploading this video. I've got it pinned in the comment section below. To order, you can head to my affiliate link in description and punch in the coupon code to get your 10% discount straight away. And yes, the affiliate link will add to my channel's support as well. Hit like if you enjoyed and subscribe for future reviews. Till again, Forest Tech signing out.